Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time, a warm welcome to you. Feel at home, enjoy your stay. While you're here, hit the red subscription button, put the post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. To all my channel members and all my supporters, a big thank you. I really appreciate you. Silent viewers, big up yourself. In this kitchen, we talk about food, we cook food, and we eat food. Today, I'm cooking Jamaican style oxtail. Yes, come along with me. Let I show you how I do this simple and easy recipe. Sister J's way, Sister J's version, and Sister J's style. Yeah, man.
Yeah, my cinnamon. For you hear the voice, you're supposed to know say a chat boss, right? I'm gonna represent for the best cooking channel you don't know. You must say, Sister J. The food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them.
I have the oxtail washed with lime and vinegar, seasoned with oxtail seasoning, garlic, blended green seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, pimento, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm adding some oil to the pot, followed by some garlic and some ginger. I'm going to have this sauteed down a little, and then I start to add the oxtail in. If you're here for the first time and you're not yet connected with me, go ahead and hit that red subscription button. Put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified of future upload. Okay? And if you're here and you're not yet connected with my other channel, Sister J's World, go ahead and slide over, show me some love. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
Sister J. Caribbean cuisine. Best foods. Best foods. Sister J. Caribbean cuisine. We're from that place where cook the best, best place for his recipe of the you.
So now the oxtail is browned up nicely. So I'm just gonna throw off a little of this oil and then I add some warm water to that. Yes, guys, when I'm cooking meat, I always have the kecker on the side with hot water. So instead of adding cold water, I use hot water so it won't break the temperature down. Okay? So that's what I'm doing right now. So the pot continue bubble, 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 bubble. Now I'm adding scallion, thyme, onion, and garlic. And just mix this in, stir it out, and push it in and push it out. Whoa. Now I'm adding my oxtail seasoning.
Sister J.
And you can get this oxtail seasoning at the international store.
Sister J, right channel.
Now I'm adding some pimento.
Check it out now for all of the best recipes. Sister J, oh good gosh man, I need some of that food right.
I'm just testing the oxtail to see how tender it is.
Sister J.
Yes, soft and tender. Yes, guys. At this point, I can check and see if we need any adjustment of seasoning, and then cover the pot and let it go ahead and cook. Here I'm adding some bell pepper and some celery. Yes. You know, oxtail take a good time to cook, guys. So You can do pressure cooking or you can cook it slowly. I'm cooking it slowly. Now I'm adding my butter bean. A tablespoon of ketchup. Not too much ketchup. And then the pot go and bubble, and the oxtail will be ready shortly. Look at the oxtail, guys. This oxtail smells so good. Comment and tell me what would you eat this oxtail with. Just let me know in the comment section. Yes, I love oxtail with anything. So just let me know what would you eat this oxtail with. Smells so good. Yes, guys, please remember to like, share, and if you haven't yet subscribe, please go ahead and do the do. See, I'm adding a hot pepper to finish off the touch. Yes, guys, and this clock is counting down. Countdown time. And the boat are gonna land soon. Yes, look at the oxtail. It look good, smell good, taste good. And guys, I serve this oxtail with rice and gungo peas along with a tossed salad. And there you have it, my lovely people. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, where you wait pan, go ahead, man, do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more from Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine. Thank you for watching. Be safe now.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Caribbean cuisine.